Good morning, my fellow junior electricians and soon-to-be journeymans. I got a tutorial video for you today. It's how to put a ferrule, one of these right here, a ferrule on a wire and do it right. Okay. So first thing you're gonna need is, obviously you need your wire, and you're gonna strip it. All right. Normally, what I do is I'll strip it about 1/2 inch, that much. Twist it a little bit, make sure the conductors don't flare out. Then you find what size you would need. So this is a 14 gauge. According to this diagram, blue is used for your 14 gauge, the blue ferrules, but I think I'm going to give the red one a try and see how that works. Okay, so the red one's not going to fit. We're going to go with the blue one. You put it on the wire like this. Bam! You see how much is sticking out? It's not supposed to be like that, but I'll show you after. Take your FURREL crimpers, okay? Open it up. And you put it on here, right where it butts up at, like that. See that? And then you tighten up on it, and then it's crimped. If you look at it, let's see. See that? Once it's crimped, then you cut the conductors off, and it will be just like that. Okay, so you guys got to do. All of them should be like that every single time. Thank y'all.